my missionary pastor, she's a Korean, and she refrained me to come to this place because she told me, don't go there kasi kulto yon. Sabi niya, hindi pwede. Sabi niya, bawal, hindi pwede because sila pangit talaga. The Korean, yun pa yung way na pagsasalita. But, since the beginning, yung first day until today, I can testify that this Bible as history and a conference, this is a sound doctrine. It is biblical. So I thank the Lord for bringing me to this place and hear yung first hand ng teaching, yung value po ng blood ni Jesus. When we receive something that is really free, we don't pay for it. We just take it for granted. Tama po ba? Kasi po, wala tayong binabayaran. Food is free, accommodation is free, and the teaching is free. Parang hindi natin masyadong, ako po, napapansin ko, sabi ko, Lord, when we receive something that we don't even pay, even just for a single penny, parang hindi namin binibigyan ng halaga, natutulog lang habang may nagpipreach. Sabi ko, yun po yung ganun po. Pero alam po ninyo, yung salvation, sa akin po yun personally, sabi ko, Lord, minsan, siguro ganun yung attitude ng heart namin. Kasi nga po, when I don't really value yung value po ng blood, parang sinasabi ng iba na yung salvation kasi ay free. Pero po, nung binalik po ako ni Lord sa point na, anak, binayaran ko yung salvation mo. I am the one who paid it. Yun po yung sa Leviticus chapter 17 verse 11. Sa akin po ito personally, umiiyak po ako kahit po inaantok-antok po kasi short lang po yung time para matulog. Pero every time po na umaawit po yung mga choir dito, nag-speak po sa heart ko si Lord through songs. Ang sabi po doon, will our lamps be filled and ready? Ang sinasabi po ng song na ako po personally kinakausap ako, this is a testimony. I'm not going to preach. Ang sabi po doon na Joy, are you ready? Parang, this is also God's question to me. Are you preparing the congregation that I have been entrusting to you? And so with the people, inihahanda, tinuturuan mo ba sila ng tama? Yun po yung sinasabi sa akin ng Lord. Kaya nandun po, habang nakaupo po ako dyan, nagmi-minister po ang Panginoon through songs and through His words. Sobra pong kino-convict yung heart ko. And I thank God for bringing me to this place. I am so much blessed. And I know that your sacrifices, your finances, everything that you have invested to this ministry, it will never be wasted. Kasi nga po, marami pong nababago, marami pong nai-encourage. And I thank God for your lives. Sabi po dito, for the life of the flesh is in the blood, and I have given it for you on the altar to make atonement for your souls. For it is the blood that makes atonement by the life. Parang I've been crying out to God, thank you for your love, for your life that you have given me. Kayo po yung nagbayad ng lahat para sa akin. Kaya kanina sabi ko nga sa elevator, sabi ko, why don't you ask for registration? Kasi di po ba, bakit parang easy lang tong conference na to? Di po ba kasi walang binayaran kasi somebody paid for you. Sabi ko nga, pero yun po yung sa heart ko. Sabi ko, Lord, sobrang favor yung binigay ninyo sa akin at saka sa bawat isa sa amin. So,